Hello there friends, this is Yadvinder Singh and today is a very fortunate day for me as I'm sitting with a mentor of mine, Mr. Ankur Agarwal. Let me tell you more about Ankur. Ankur is a top 1% earner in the MLM industry and he has grown a downline of more than 40,000 people and he has earned more than 2 crore rupees in less than 2 years. And he has written 2 books on MLM, that is MLM Downline Code and the big book of MLM lead generation. So without wasting any further time, I'll ask the first question to Ankur. Ankur, when were you introduced to network marketing?
Thank you, Yadvinder, and hey everybody, it's good to be in camera, and just excuse me for my casual getup. I was not kind of prepared for it, but then Yadvinder, being a close friend of mine, he gave me a call and I was like, alright, let's do an interview, it will be fun. So it has been some time now, it's been now 6+ years for me in this industry of network marketing, and has been the best time of my life, I should say. A lot of failures, a lot of success, and making the money of my life now, and enjoying every day. Every day is a party now. So yeah, 6+ years now, it's been good.
And Ankur, when did you shift to online MLM and why was that?
Well, that was an interesting story because when I got started 6+ years back, there was hardly any kind of internet exposure, in India. Forget the world of MLM and network marketing. Means usage of internet in those specific fields basically. And I was building my network marketing business using all the methods which are normally taught to people, and they are good, by the way. I'm not criticizing those methods by any way. Warm market, friends, hotel meetings, home meetings, it was all good, and I kind of got a decent share of success also. I will not say that I failed in my first company, because I was actually a success story, and I made some decent money. And around 2.5 years back, I kind of by chance, you can say, I was exposed to a network marketing company which was dealing with internet-based virtual products, and that forced me to come online. And since that time I was also working as a software engineer. I used to work as a software engineer in the field of SAP with India's top-notch multinational company. And so I was like kind of sitting 8 hours a day in my office on the internet, and I was like, so I started doing a lot of research, and to my surprise, I saw that a lot of people outside India in the international markets, US, UK, Australia, Europe, they were using internet in a very good way to build the network marketing business. And I was like, wow, that sounds exciting, because all my earlier methods along with my job, I was kind of getting exhausted. 8 to 10 hours of job, and then 7 or 8 o'clock attending meetings, and coming back home at 2 o'clock in the night, again starting the same schedule in the morning. It's all fun. I'm not saying it was all fun, but then in life you always look for effective ways. And when I just actually thought about it, using internet, using tools like online conferencing tools, emails, chats and all that, we can reach to hundreds and thousands of people across the world. So that was a kind of light bulb moment for me, I should say. I was like, now I need to study on how to build network marketing on the internet also. So yeah, it was 2.5 years back I got exposed to this internet, and since then have invested hours and hours and hours of study, research. I'm still doing it every day, a couple of hours, and